Kodhi mago mag somo jakom mar riwruok ma jopuonj madongo mag skunde sekondar ma pacho ka Indimuli Kahi okwayo piny owacho mondo mi orang diriyo kaka inyalo res chenro mag somo mag junior secondary pacho ka. Indimuli network e kaunti ya Machakos kama jotelo mamoko mag riwruoge mag jopuonj kama oting'o Kuppet bende noriwe lwedo ka koni matin ne otimie grade mar 7 kaluwore gi nok mar jopuonje pacho ka.
Our sub-county school, Kesha, felt have the capacity to handle junior secondary because they had teachers, they had minimum facilities that only needed to be enhanced, they had resemblances of laboratories that needed to be enhanced. So any addition of one teacher, 2 teachers, as it was done at primary level, will find another team of teachers at primary level, will find another team of teachers there, and they will be able to handle content that was secondary. As a nation, we ignored, and the children in junior secondary school today, I'm not afraid to say, are getting a raw deal. And this must be reversed. How are we therefore proposing a reversal, and which we want Kuppet to join us? Grade 9 must be moved to secondary. Otherwise, we are sacrificing a generation and putting our nation at risk.